All right, I'm sending you this video by email because I have a very important webinar announcement that I wanted to announce to you. So I wanted to send this by email in a video format because I want you to really get the idea that you know what, this webinar is a webinar you do not want to miss. I'm going to be doing a webinar this Saturday, April 14th, 2018. It's going to be at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 6 p.m. Central, or 5 p.m. Mountain, or 4 p.m. Pacific. So if you are in these time zones, around these time frames, you definitely want to get on this webinar. The reason I'm hosting this webinar, I'm going to tell you plainly here, I'm getting a lot of emails from people who are wanting to do something to make themselves a lot of money. They're very frustrated. They're trying to make some very quick money, and they're going, Kay, what is it that I can do right now to start putting some money into my pocket right now? So on this webinar, I'm going to show you the money. I'm going to show you how you can start making money very quickly in a short amount of time. I'm talking about anywhere between 7 to 10 days here. And it's a very simple process. So what you want to do is make sure you lock this date in. Get on this webinar that's going to be hosted this Saturday, April 14th, this year, 2018, April 14th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, 5 p.m. Mountain, or 4 p.m. Pacific. You definitely want to be on this webinar. You do not want to miss it. So I'm giving you this heads up right now that when you are on this webinar, you are going to get a huge advantage over anyone else who haven't seen this webinar. So you definitely want to get on this webinar. Pencil it in, and I'll see you this Saturday, April 14th, on the webinar at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.